Gonna have to break all those off.
I don't know. Maybe not.
Breeze. Right on. That thing is actually hanging on that alder there.
Hmm.
That alder that's shoving this one this way. You know the back one?
Uh-huh.
So it's going to be a lot extra. That's another logger joke. I'll just learn that from the car salesman.
Be careful.
Yeah, I think we're going to be fine. I need them branches on. It'll suck that towards me. Sure enough. You know, I was up this high about 2 years ago, and I reached over and cut a branch off another tree, and me, the tree, and another tree, all three of us went to the ground.
Oh my gosh.
That doesn't sound good.
Well, I'll tell you what, my whole thought was, my God, I'm picking up speed, you know? And we went crashing down, landed in some apple trees, and everything was fine.
Oh, you're lucky.
It's karma. Well, all right, let's see what goes here, eh?
That ice was keeping your hand cool,
In the
Mom.
event that it does go wrong and hit your little deal there, you know, we are heavily insured, and again, that's probably why you called. Okay, I hope it doesn't, and I don't think it will, but there's no other way to do it
Yeah.
other than bring a little crane in here and just lift everything out, you know?
Yeah, it's
I'm
not
going
the
to cut
end.
it back as far as I can so we don't have much to go, and that should make a difference.
Yeah, it's not going to be the end of the world.
All right, well, let's just wait.
I thought the one in the end.
He's still alive.
Got some of the rot out of this.
That'll be extra.
Oh, it's like a big nest up there.
Well, that worked out pretty good. I think I can come down and do that again, and then it'll be too short to miss anything, you know what I mean? If it goes backwards.
Okay.
Nope.
I don't even.
Yep. See your spider or something like that, probably.
Yeah, stand back here if you would. I just don't know. You know, it's got so much water, I have no hole.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Not where we wanted it.
It'll work.